How to see unlisted videos on YouTube. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device, and after that launch YouTube application. Make sure you are logged into your account, and as you're logged into your account, tap on your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now select on your videos option over here, and as you tap on your videos, you'll be able to see the list of videos over here. Now, to see the unlisted videos, what you can do is you can see there are different signals below the video name over here. So if the video has this linking option like that, it shows these are unlisted videos. So let's tap on the three dotted lines beside a video and simply select on this edit option. So as you tap on edit, you'll be able to see the option of unlisted under visibility category. So this is how you can see the unlisted videos on YouTube. If you want to change it, you can just tap on visibility and change it. You can keep it to public or private and then go back and then tap and save. And there you go. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.